Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In front of me is my new project, and as you can tell, it's a Porsche 911 GT3 model 992 in a 1 to 10 scale by Tamiya, and it's come in kit with TT-02 chassis. This is actually a brand new kit by Tamiya. It was introduced in year 2023, and it was introduced in sale somewhere in June 2023. So it's a very new kit, and I am very happy to have it. And as you can tell, this box is still sealed, so we can look inside together. So let's open it. Okay, so what we got here. This is parts for chassis. This is drive joints and drive shaft. Here we have parts for mounting engine, I think, and cover for receiver, probably. There is another bag. This bag is pretty heavy. Yeah, there is engine, so this is why it's so heavy. Here are these very funny plastic bearings. I definitely replace these bearings with regular bearings. Let's open it and look what is inside. Okay, so here are gears. These are actually parts for a differential, front and rear differential, because the chassis is all-wheel drive. Here is parts to mount body to chassis, battery to chassis, and so on. To be honest, I don't know what is this. I think this is parts for steering. There are some screws and zip ties. Here these funny bearings. There is some grease. This is probably for a differential. There is springs and another screws, and electric motor. Okay, so what we got here next? Here is a body. This body looks like it's pre-cut, and it's really nice body. I like it. Yeah, but there are holes in hood and also holes in rear windshield. Yeah, this is pity. I like to put my bodies to chassis with magnets, so it looks more realistic, but I don't know how I managed to do it here, because I don't like these holes, and I have to figure it out how I cover it. But anyway, this body looks really nice. He stacked some tube I don't know what is it, but we check it in a manual or the assembly instructions. But this body is really nice. I like this car a lot. Okay, put it inside. Let's look what we got here else. There is a foam bumper on chassis. Another excellent part. There is actually a headlight. I'm not sure if it is visible on camera, but it's a really detailed part. It looks very nice. This looks like a rear wing. There are tires. It's on-road touring tires. Here we got a floor for chassis and another parts for chassis. These are rims. Here is a ESC, or a motor regulator. Actually, this regulator, I think it can be used for brushless and brushed motor. I think, or no, there are only 4 wires, and 2 of them are for battery, and the rest of them are for motor. But it's nice. Here we have another parts for body, side mirrors, and these small parts, I'm not sure, but I think this is mount for rear wing. And another parts for chassis. Here you can see arms, another arms. And what's left here? We have a lot of stickers. The stickers looks pretty nice, well detailed. And what left here? Instructions for body. I think there are some safety or warranty information, nothing interested, and here are instructions for chassis assembling. This is actually really thick. I'm very excited about this build. I really like it. Actually, this is my very first kit by Tamiya, and I'm really happy. Okay, and I think this is it. There is nothing more of what I can show you. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and definitely stay tuned for this build.